All right, I am so ready for this run. Next. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out. All right, feeling good? Let's go. Just get these shoes on and oh, these reek. Oh, no need to panic. I know exactly what to do to get these shoes smelling fresh and clean. All I need is baking soda, lavender essential oil, baby socks, and rubber bands. First, I'm filling the baby socks about halfway with baking soda. Then I'm adding about 10 to 15 drops of the essential oil into the baking soda and securing the socks closed with the rubber bands. Lastly, I'm mixing the essential oil into the baking soda with my hands, and that's it. I'll just insert these babies into my shoes, let them sit, and voila! The stink is gone. If you thought this tutorial was helpful, there's so much more where that came from. Head over to ehow.com and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. See you guys later.